Video will show you how geometric patterns layered together create our physical reality. This reality is formed from frequency, vibration, and energy. Each vibration has its own unique geometric pattern. Just 500 years ago, we deeply understood this principle as it was evident in our architecture. You might be wondering, where am I going with this? Consider the effect of certain frequencies when played through water. I'm here to remind you that every thought you have, every word you say, and every emotion you feel carries a vibrational frequency. Given that you're made up of 80% water, your thoughts, emotions, and words influence the geometric structures within the water molecules of your body, shaping your surrounding reality. Your mind is a powerful manifesting tool. All you need to do is align your mind with the frequency of your desires, and that becomes your reality. This is why it's called a mindset. Reality as we perceive it isn't just a random assortment of matter and events. Dive a bit deeper and you'll uncover patterns that have governed our universe since its inception. Among the most foundational of these patterns are geometric shapes, present everywhere from the micro to the macro scale. From the intricate structures of atoms to the vast spiral arms of galaxies, geometry is at the heart of existence. However, geometry alone doesn't explain the dynamic nature of our universe. To grasp that, we must look into the fundamentals of frequency, vibration, and energy. These are the true architects of our reality. Let's break it down. Frequency refers to the rate at which a vibration occurs. It's a measurement indicating how often a cycle of vibration completes in a given time frame. Everything in our universe, from the smallest particle to the most immense galaxy, vibrates at a certain frequency. Even light, which our eyes interpret as color, is distinguished by its unique frequency. Vibration, on the other hand, is the movement resulting from these frequencies. It's the oscillation, the back and forth. Every atom in your body, every ripple in a pond, vibrates. This motion might be invisible to the human eye, but its effects permeate all layers of existence. Then we have energy, a term many of us are familiar with, but few truly understand. Energy is the capacity to do work, to cause change. It's both the source and the outcome of frequency and vibration. Everything you see, touch, or feel is a manifestation of energy in one form or another. For centuries, these truths remained hidden, obscured by our limited understanding. Yet, as we've progressed in science and technology, we've begun to unveil these secrets. We now know that geometric patterns combined with frequency, vibration, and energy construct our very reality. Understanding this not only broadens our perspective on the universe, but also reveals the deeper, hidden layers of our existence. In the vast expanse of the universe, our understanding and perception are both remarkably vast and incredibly limited. As humans, we pride ourselves on our ability to observe, understand, and interpret the world around us. But what if the very foundation of our understanding is merely a fractional sliver of the full picture? The electromagnetic spectrum, an expansive range of frequencies, is a testament to the universe's complexity. From radio waves used in broadcasting to the X-rays in medical diagnostics, it encompasses a vast array of frequencies. Yet, astonishingly, our eyes can only detect about 0.0035% of this spectrum, what we categorize as visible light. The rest? It's a vast ocean of information, frequencies, and energy that we're blind to. At its core, light is far more than just illumination. It's a collection of electromagnetic waves, each characterized by its unique frequency. The colors we identify, from the reds to the blues, are determined by these frequencies. Red light oscillates at a slower pace, while blue and violet lights vibrate faster. These frequencies, once captured by our eyes, are relayed to the brain, which then deciphers these signals, translating them into the vivid images that paint our reality. Now, think about this. Our entire understanding and experience of reality are shaped by this minuscule 0.0035%. The colors, the forms, the light, and shadow, all of it is the brain's interpretation of these frequencies. It raises the question, what lies in the remaining 99.9965%? What wonders, colors, or forms exist there that we've never perceived or even imagined? Moreover, if our reality, our trees, oceans, cities, and skies, is constructed purely from our brain's interpretation of frequencies, then isn't it undeniable that our existence is woven from the fabric of vibration and frequency? Every interaction, every sight, every touch is, in essence, an encounter with these vibrations. This realization is both awe-inspiring and humbling. It underscores our limited perception while highlighting the vast potential and mysteries of the universe. The reality we perceive, as intricate and vast as it seems, is just the tip of the iceberg. As technology advances and we develop tools to tap into the unseen portions of the electromagnetic spectrum, one can't help but wonder, what other secrets does the universe hold, just waiting to be uncovered? The fabric of the universe isn't random. There's a pattern to it. One of the most profound and consistent patterns seen across cultures, history, and even in nature itself is that of sacred geometry. At its core, sacred geometry is the study of the mathematical patterns, shapes, and numbers that form the basis of all life in the universe. Let's begin with this mathematical essence. The principles of sacred geometry are deeply rooted in specific geometric ratios and patterns, such as the golden ratio or phi, approximately 1.618. This ratio can be observed in architecture, art, and even in the spiral arrangement of leaves on a stem or the spiraling galaxies in the universe. Historically, ancient cultures have been aware of these patterns long before they had the scientific tools to understand them. In Egypt, for instance, the pyramids' precise angles and alignments show a profound grasp of sacred geometric principles. The same goes for ancient Greece, where the golden ratio was pivotal in the designs of their temples. Yet, the reach of sacred geometry extends far beyond grand structures. Zoom into religious and sacred sites worldwide, and you'll see symbolic representations of these patterns. One such ubiquitous symbol is the flower of life, comprising multiple evenly spaced, overlapping circles. This design forms a flower-like pattern and has been found etched into ancient structures worldwide, from Egypt to China. Churches and temples, too, are rife with sacred geometric symbols. The Vesica Piscis, for instance, a symbol derived from two overlapping circles, is frequently seen in Christian art and architecture. Meanwhile, the Seed of Life, a seven-circled design, has been a part of various religious symbols across cultures. In essence, sacred geometry isn't a recent revelation. The ancients were acutely aware of it. Everywhere you look, be it ancient temples, scriptures, or art, you'll find a rich tapestry of these symbols speaking to us, echoing timeless knowledge. It's as if they were trying to relay a message, something profound and fundamental about the universe. They knew the truth, yet as time has progressed, instead of embracing this wisdom, modern society often scoffs at it. We tend to mock or ridicule those who attempt to bring these topics into mainstream discourse. Perhaps, in their silent, geometric language, the ancients left behind keys to understanding the universe's deeper truths, hoping one day we'd listen again.